Here's a question. Who works for whom? Do you work for your phone or does your phone work for you? Because right now, we are the employees. Think about planning a dinner. You open Yelp, then Maps, then Uber, then Calendar, then Text. You are the project manager of your own burrito. We've been brainwashed by the phrase, there's an app for that. But that phrase is about to die. We are moving from the era of apps to the era of agents. And finally, your phone is going to do the one thing it was promised to do: actually be smart. Welcome to Timeless Logic. Today, we aren't just ranting about apps. We're breaking down the mechanics of what replaces them. First, let's look under the hood. What is an agent? Is it magic? Is it conscious? No, it is a simple equation. LLM plus tools equals agent. Think of it like a carpenter. The LLM, or large language model, is the brain. It understands your messy instructions like fix the roof. But a brain can't hold a hammer. That's where tools come in. These are the hands. They are API connections that let the AI actually click buttons, read emails, and open calendars. Up until now, ChatGPT was a brain in a jar. It could write a poem about a flight, but it couldn't book one. Agents are what happen when you finally give the brain a pair of hands. Let's see this in action with a real-world nightmare: the refund. Right now, getting a refund is a gladiator sport. You find the receipt, find the chatbot, type representative 10 times and wait on hold, listening to smooth jazz. That is the app way. Here is the agent way. You take a picture of the broken toaster. You tell your phone, get my money back. And you put the phone down. Behind the scenes, the brain analyzes the photo. It knows you need a refund. It uses its hands to log into your email, find the receipt, navigate to the support page, and here is the best part. It argues with the company's bot using its own bot. It is bot versus bot warfare. 20 minutes later, you get a notification. Refund processed. $40 credited. You didn't do the work. You managed the worker. This changes everything about how we use phones. Right now, you navigate through GUIs, graphical user interfaces. You hunt for icons. You scroll through menus. Agents introduce NUI, natural user interface. The app becomes invisible. If you tell an agent, order me a ride, it uses Uber or Lyft in the background. You never see the map. You never see the ads. You never see the surge pricing pop-up. You just see the car arrive. This is why big tech is scrambling. If you stop looking at the apps, you stop seeing the ads. Agents are the ultimate ad blockers, simply because they are efficient. Okay, reality check time. If this is so good, why are we still tapping icons like cavemen? Because we are in the awkward teenager phase of this technology. Right now, brains are smart, but hands are clumsy. If you ask an agent to book a flight today, there is a non-zero chance it books you a ticket to Paris, Texas instead of Paris, France. Agents struggle when websites change their layout or pop up a verify you are human puzzle. It works great in a controlled demo, but in the chaotic real world, it's still a bit like giving a credit card to a very smart 5-year-old. So don't delete your colorful grid of icons just yet. But understand the shift. The future isn't about having a million apps in your pocket. It's about having one AI that operates them for you. We are moving from users to managers. If you want to stay ahead of the curve while everyone else is still waiting on hold, hit that subscribe button. This is Timeless Logic, helping you understand the future before it automates you. See you in the next one.